Life is shaped by experience and by reflection.
People such as Robert did their job, but unfortunately, with doing their job, they was at the wrong place at the wrong time.
Then the sky erupted. And in that moment, normal ceased to exist.
During the war years, a lot of our police officers were involved in heroic acts, but sadly they never got the recognition like some of the civilian people did.
With the help of Dennis and David at the cemetery, we found where Robert was buried. On the actual marker, which is just a wooden cross, it didn't mention his family, so we went back in and we did the genealogy with Dennis and found out that there was 2 other members in the grave with Robert.
A family man, a family.
He's no longer anonymous. We know where he died, we know about his family, and we know where his wife lived, we know where his family lived, and know much of his career.
We have to remember these people.
A career sworn for life, a career for which he gave his life.
And we're trying to get the recognition for them, and hopefully that they will be recognised posthumously.
And I try to make sure that when we talk to children and other people, we always say, whatever we do, we should never forget.
Yorkshire born, Yorkshire bred.